and going.
Who never misses leg day? Wow. So we're gonna go up top and do the helicopter skid. We're gonna use doubled ropes just so you can see how much more control you have on two lines. It'll be a little slower and then the wind's gonna move you. So if you start to, don't panic, you're not touching the wall.
Is this supposed to be a free rappel?
So what I like to ask you to do is bend your legs and get your head past the skid. Then when you let go, you don't swing in and hit your head. And then you can just, as fast or slow as you want to go.
Really fall into it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Really slow.
Yeah. Well, you know, you can throw your hand out and drop as fast as you want, but it'll feel slow compared to a single rope. And then if I fall down, somebody give me chest compression, don't put your mouth on me. And then
Don't quit on me during my favorite part, all right?
so your tie point will be above your head because of that, the way that is set up. You'll step down on that and you bend your legs, lean, get just a little bit below vertical and then kick your feet out. That way your head doesn't hit. And then just start dropping.
Okay.
And then Captain Haddon's down there belaying, and when I tell him, he'll turn his GoPro on, so I'll be watching you from the top, and my phone's videoing you from the bottom. So you'll have one of you's bound to have a good side. And then if you want to do a second drop from this, feel free to run back up the steps. I know that's a lot of climbing, but remember your number is 7. So far you've done 7 rappels, and I hope to get 20 reps in before the week's over. Okay. All right.
I've got the one you gave me earlier.
Okay, all right, that's good.
I think they've checked it. I think it's
Thank you, sir. So before you come out here to do the drop, I want you to clip into this because I'm going to move this chain off. So whoever's going to go first. You can turn on the cameras.
No, he didn't. It's a loop.
That's all right. It's an endless loop.
Yeah.
So you can't go anywhere.
They're running in to the right.
You can take off your safety now. All right. On rappel. So is it yellow on belay or belay on?
On belay.
All right, here we go. Put your brake hand on your rope. That way if you lose control, you're good to go.
Already.
That's a pretty interesting little move there. All right. Pull your slack all the way up. All right.
Pull it out.
All right. There you go. Now you may just have to squat to take the slack out of your rope.
No.
All right, you're on the pad. Start extending a little bit. There you go. A little more. A little more. Just a little more. All right. You're good to go. Hold your hand way low and way out. There you go. Excellent. Hey, in Medford, cut my cell phone on when it's ready to rappel. All right, you ready, man?
It's just gonna pass through?
Yep. That's your right hand. You want your left hand or your right hand?
Yes, sir. I want my left hand.
I'm sorry, that was my fault. I was used to helping Medford.
Did I do it wrong again?
No, you're fine. All right, take your lanyard off.